Welcome to SE Custom Designs, where I'm on my vacation. My wife is away, and this is one of the last ceilings in the house that I have to repair. That being said, we had a lot of damage from rain. You can see up there, but this here I built. Some friends and I built this here. This used to be a pantry entryway, the door, new doors of course. You came in, and then this whole area was a wall that went all the way to the dining room. So I took all that out, threw a window in there, new doors, lots of work. And so while I'm doing all this work, I decided I'm going to go ahead and put a light over for the sink area. And so here we had a lot of damage from not necessarily roof leaks, but from in the bathroom upstairs. The plumbing was horrendous, so we hired a professional plumber and came in and fixed all that. And so I waited about a year to make sure we're still not going to get any leaks. Every time it rained, I had like 5 buckets around the whole house. So we were able to finally get new roofs 2-3 years ago. Wrap the dorm, everything is just brand new up there on the roof, so I won't have to worry about that. You may have seen me do a video on this light that was sent to SE Custom Designs to review, and so we did that review. Now I'm hanging it here to give me light. So my first piece of rock is going to be going up. I have it all ready to go, but let's come outside. Thankfully that truck is not making all that noise. Making these helpers, you may remember several years ago, I made these for what we call the fireplace room, and I rocked that. That was the last rock job I did. And so these guys, my neighbor was very kind to let me use some 2x4s that he was using for his sidewalk, and I was just about ready to go to the local lumber yard and pick up some materials, some 2x4s, and the timing was perfect. Thank you, Lord, for that provision. So yep, these guys always show up for work. They never complain, and they'll hold that rock all day long until I get it up. So there's one of them. I'm gonna go ahead and make the second one, and then at the top, well, this is 8 feet high, by the way. I have very high ceilings, so that's 8 feet. It's going to give me several inches to play with, and then we'll put a slab across the top where that'll hold the sheetrock, of course. And then I'll use a series of blocks to get me the rest of the way to the ceiling. So that's my system. Place it up there, and then put those blocks in. It's going to be like that close to the ceiling. That's how we roll. So that's you get to see the before and the after. So if my wife sees this video, she's in Tennessee right now for a couple of weeks, then the surprise is going to be not a surprise. So hopefully she won't see the video. Take care. You give our usual goodbyes. Shalom uvracha. Masalami. Tot ziens. Zaijian. Take care. Stay safe.